Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Django packages using pip behind proxy. So what you need to do, you need to write pip and then proxy, and you need to specify your proxy. First you need to specify username password. So in case if you are having any username password, so you can write that username and password here, and then at the rate 192 your proxy server IP address colon and then port number. So in my case, I'm writing my username and password. Mm, and after specifying this one, just write install your Django package name. So here I'm going to show you how to install Django Markdown. So if you can see here, perfectly working and successfully installed Django Markdown 0.8.4. Thank you very much for watching.